Hello everyone, dear subscribers, dear friends. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to disable screen time if you forgot your password. I will show and tell you how to solve it. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom. Open the Screen Time tab, and we're going to scroll down here. And if we press Turn Off Screen Time, and let's say we enter a password, but we don't remember it, so in order for us to recover it or make up a new one, we press Change Screen Time Passcode. Again, we press Change Screen Time Passcode. Next, we don't enter the password here, and we click Forgot Password. Here, we need to enter our Apple ID, then click OK. Then we need to enter our Apple ID password. I did, and then we press OK. Now it's rebooting. Now it says make a new password. We make up a new password with you and confirm it once again. After that, you need to enter your iPhone email again. Enter the password and click OK. After that, we can disable screen time, but with a new password. Here is the way to do it. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all. Goodbye.